This is the brief on the June 11th AI Trading Bots live test. So, we ran 4 different AI bots, and yeah, we ended up with a slight red day, losing 1,295 JPY, which is a negative 0.75% dip. But here's the thing. As you'll see, this experiment actually shows us how machine learning literally turns failure into a clear roadmap for success. First, let's look at GateGrid AI. It was the only bot to finish in the green, pulling in 279 JPY. Why? Well, it uses a multi-layered filtering system to only grab the absolute best setups. Think of it like a super picky eater only taking the tastiest bites. It proves that patience really does yield controlled profits. Second, what happens when the AI gets the direction right, but the math totally wrong? We saw exactly that with BoundSniper and LLM Bridge Trader, both losing around 280 JPY. They actually hit 50% win rates, but their average losses were just bigger than their wins. So the AI's logic is working, right? But the basic risk-to-reward structure needs a serious tune-up. Finally, let's talk about total failure. ML score GFT4 GB took the biggest hit today, dropping 1,009 JPY on 2 stopped-out trades. Now, a human trader would be totally frustrated by this, but in the machine learning world, this clean loss is actually a massive win because it gives us perfectly labeled training data to fix the model. Ultimately, the goal here isn't to avoid every single losing day, which is impossible, but to build systems that capture data, analyze it, and constantly evolve. Tomorrow's market edges are built directly on today's labeled losses.